Japan is open again. After being closed for a long time because of the pandemic, Japan is welcoming tourists from all over the world. Lots of people want to see Japan's mix of old and new. Millions of tourists are coming to see the bright lights of Tokyo, the old temples of Kyoto, and the beautiful Mount Fuji. Hotels and restaurants are busy. Tourism is helping Japan's economy, but not all parts of Japan are seeing the same amount of tourists. Some places are very popular, but others are not. Two places, Nara and Chiba, are not getting as many visitors. These places have lots of history, culture and nature, but people aren't going there. We need to understand why this is happening and how to fix it so tourism in Japan can grow in a good way. Nara has the famous Todaiji temple with its giant bronze Buddha statue. Deer walk around the parks. Old temples tell stories of the past. Nara should be a very popular place for tourists, but it's not. Why? One reason might be Kyoto. Kyoto has many temples, shrines and gardens. Tourists often choose to spend more time in Kyoto and less time in Nara, maybe because they don't have a lot of time or money. Also, people think of Nara as a place to visit for just one day from Osaka or Kyoto. They see the main sights and then leave. They don't get to see all the amazing things Nara has. Chiba has a different problem. Many tourists see Chiba first because that's where Narita Airport is. But they don't usually stay. The airport is like a door to Japan, but it also blocks people from seeing Chiba. Tourists want to get to their next stop quickly, so they don't see Chiba as a place to visit. This is sad because Chiba has beautiful beaches, hiking trails, and cities. The Boso Peninsula has amazing cliffs and ocean views. It looks very different from Tokyo, but most tourists don't know about these places. Nara and Chiba need to change how they do things to get more tourists. Nara needs to show people it's not just for a day trip. It needs to be a place where people want to stay longer. Maybe they could offer special experiences like staying overnight at a temple or learning traditional crafts. This might make people want to learn more about Japanese culture. Chiba needs to show people it's more than just an airport. It needs to show off its special places, like its nature, and make it easier to get from the airport to other parts of Chiba. This might make people want to stay longer and explore. Japan's tourism should not just be about how many people come, but also about what they do and where they go. If Nara and Chiba get more tourists, it will be better for all of Japan. It will help tourism grow in a good way all over the country.